What is up, everyone? This is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS files that are being used by the following applications that you may be getting on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So this might be coming up as like Microsoft, I don't know, Edge or Chrome or whatever, right, is using this application, and this error essentially pops up. There's actually a very quick way to fix this. All you need to do is right click at the bottom and go into Task Manager. In here, let's say Google Chrome was the problem, right click into it and do End Task. Whatever application names it provided you, end the task to basically make this error go away. That's it. That's all you need to do. Then once you're trying to essentially turn OBS back on or install it or do whatever you were trying to do, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are with this video, please smash that like button up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, more tutorials out. Peace.